Today we are going to continue with Parts of Speech Boot Camp. We have already covered nouns, common nouns, proper nouns, singular nouns, plural nouns, and possessive nouns, and also pronouns. And we've talked about singular and plural pronouns and possessive pronouns. We have also covered adjectives, which describe those lovely nouns. So today we're going to move on just a little bit, and we're going to talk about verbs. Now, hopefully you've already watched the first video in this lesson. If not, I want you to pause right now and go back up because you don't want to miss it. It's a Schoolhouse Rock and it's fabulous. Okay, I'm assuming you've now done that because you all follow directions, right? Right. Okay, let's talk about verbs. Verbs are words that show us the action in the sentence. For now, that's as far as we're going to get into verbs at first. We'll talk about different kind of verbs later. So for now, verbs are going to be the action. Verbs are what's happening. So I can walk. If it's something I can do, or someone or something can do, it's a verb. We can run. We can whisper. We can yell. We can eat. We can sleep. And when we're sleeping, we can dream, which I'll show you in just a second. There it is. Okay, so all of those words are verbs. They're things we can do. Sometimes the easiest way to find the verb in the sentence is to first find the subject of the sentence. We have to have something or someone to do the verb, right? So if we can find that something or someone, then it makes it easier to figure out what's happening in the sentence. So look at the sentence. Bob is calling Darren after school today. Who's the sentence about? Well, the sentence is about Bob. Okay, so what is Bob doing? Bob is calling. So is calling is the verb in this sentence. The dog ate the treat out of my hand. Who or what is the sentence about? The dog. So the dog is the subject. It's who or what the sentence is about. What did the dog do? Well, the dog ate. And that sentence right there has a subject and a verb. It's boring, but it's a sentence. The dog ate. So ate is the verb in the sentence that tells us what the dog is doing. The holiday will end on Friday. There's not a person or even an animal in this sentence. So who or what is the sentence about? Well, the sentence is about the holiday. Okay, so what will the holiday do? It's weird to think of a thing like a holiday doing something. So what will the holiday do? Well, the holiday will end on Friday. So now our sentence is the holiday will end. Subject, verb. Will end is the verb in this sentence. So hopefully you've already typed your name in today's verb assignment and you watched the Grammar Rock, the Schoolhouse Rock verb video, and you answered the question about it, and you're currently watching this video. Here's what you're going to be doing in the first section. Verb, it reminds you for every question. Verbs show the action in a sentence. What is the verb in this sentence? Bob ran to his grandmother's house. Okay. Who's the sentence about? Bob. What did Bob do? Bob ran. So when I'm answering this question, I just have to choose the verb. It asks what is the verb in the sentence. So you have quite a few of those questions. While that is fresh on your brain, I want you to go and answer these questions in the first section, and I'll see you again at the beginning of the second section.